Some of the things I told you in my earlier lecture about how to go about NEET or IIT examination, how to prepare, and counseling, and a few questions. One of the questions that I dealt was mole concept and chemical equation based question. Mole concept and chemical equation based question, or any chemical equation based question, always assume the compound to be 100% pure, reactant in particular to be 100% pure. Now, these days, including this year's NEET 26, the question was asked on this particular basis. I'll first do the question from my book, which was published 30 years back, and then come to the question which has come 30 years later, that is in NEET 26. Question from my book is, please take pen and paper and note down, because though for solving you may not require any pen and paper, but to write down the question, you do need pen and paper. Write down the question. The question says, how many milliliters of carbon dioxide is produced on strong heating of 1 gram calcium carbonate, which is 50% pure? I hope you noted it down. I'm not going to give you alternatives A, B, C, D, because once you get the answer, you have to take the answer which is there in the question paper. Now, the equation for this is CaCO3 is equal to CaO plus CO2. Very simple. This is my book's question. Now, as you look at this equation, when you apply mole concept to this equation, it tells you 1 mole of calcium carbonate gives you 1 mole of CO2. Now, assuming 100% pure, 1 gram is 1 upon 100, that is 0.01 mole. Right? 1 mole calcium carbonate gives 1 mole CO2. So 0.01 mole will give you 0.01 mole CO2. Now you are given it is 50% pure. So 50% pure. So first we'll calculate the answer on the basis of 100% pure. Say 0.01 mole. If a volume is asked, 0.01 mole is equal to 2.24 liters. You're a good student. As a good student, you know 1 mole of any gas is 22.4 liters at STP. And remember, whether or not given, whether given, it's okay. Even if not given, you have to assume STP condition. So if it is 100% pure, 0.01 mole is 22.4 liters. So 0.01 is 0.224 liters. That is 224 ml, 100% pure. So if 50% pure, half it, half the product. The answer is 112 ml. Straight. You don't need even to do any calculation pen papers. It's simple, but this is simple arithmetic. No trigonometry or dynamics or anything. Simple first standard arithmetic. Not even fourth standard, first standard arithmetic. Thank you.